Hello guys, welcome ulit sa aking YouTube channel at saka sa aking Facebook page, Riron Online Shop, at saka sa aking Facebook profile, Ronald Caspe. Guys, umuulan ngayon dahil bagyo. May bagyong Karina pero tuloy pa rin ang car surprise natin. This time is bound to City Homes Molino, City Homes Subdivisions Molino. Ayan guys, malapit na kami pero kita na lang tayo doon. Thank you.
Kasi sa inyo lang ang pangalan yan eh. Parang nabi ko na buksan. Medyo naulan lang tayo. Ano po yan? Sasakyan po yan? Opo. Oh my God! Kaya kami mo, kami mo siya alam. Surprise ka, di ba? Ayun, kahit maulan na, rain or shine, ito tuloy pa rin. Ayun. May message lang po si Sir. Galing po yan kay Sir Jefferson. Guess what? Amber! Amber! Hindi ba yung phone mo, anak? Ayan, backsign ko lang naman. And I wanted to take a moment to apologize for what I have done before. I know my words, actions hurt you, and for that I'm truly sorry. My hand, asawa, for you only grow stronger every day, and I promise to learn to be more mindful and considerate in the future. Can you please forgive me? Happy 17th anniversary of us. I love you always, and forever just trust me. I will never leave you, promise. Diba? Nakalagay din po dito lahat yan. Nasaan po ba si Sir, ma'am? New Zealand po. New Zealand. Kaya pala magkaiba yung time ano natin. Ayun, message ko muna kay Sir. Thank you. Kira, speechless. Surprise ako, sobra. Hindi mo na-expect. Sabi niya lang kasi sa akin, bibili niya daw ako na cake. Sabi niya kasi tsaka pizza. Wala, hindi ko naisip. Kasi marami na inaasip na kasi. Tsaka pumapagpili kasi. Sige ma, pipicture na kita kasi medyo lumalakas. Okay, sige.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.